Hi guys, today's Pip
and JC.
Hey today, and today we're going to be seeing how fast we can upgrade our old account inventories in 15 minutes.
Yeah.
And the time is going to start in 3, 2, and 1. Go! Okay, so let's see how much you can level up our inventories. I think I have a few tasks here.
I'm just going straight away.
What did I have, guys? Forgot.
Will anyone donate to a poor person?
Okay, so we have quite a lot. Let's go put him to sleep.
Hi, Sal with a Frost Fury. Will you donate to a girl with a cat? That person was very rude.
And my cat.
They could be famous. Actually, they won't, but if it was Pip, then he would be famous. They do not know what meeting a famous YouTuber is like.
With 22 subscribers. Guys, I never thought this day would happen, but we actually have 22 subscribers.
Hi,
and
will anyone donate?
My next
how dare you?
And our next goal is gonna be 28 subscribers. So thank you guys very much for that. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, and the day has finally come. We're doing long videos again, not like shorts.
Shorts are fun though.
I know. I'm just gonna give me something for free. I'm poor. No. Where's everyone being so rude? There's someone with a dodo.
I know. That's my dream pet, guys.
Yeah. Well, you're lucky. You're the one who had a golden unicorn, right?
Yeah.
And I had an Operation Golden Dragon. What's the odds? Anyway, I traded that away when I didn't know trading badly used. I traded that away for something really bad. Oh my god, a Nessie!
Sorry guys if you saw my fingers, that was an accident.
A Nessie!
A Nessie! No one's ever going to give you something good. I'm leveling up my cat. So that it might be some more value if it's leveled up more.
I'm trying to get free pets off people. That person knows how I feel.
Did they give you a free pet?
No. Their name is I have no pets. Can someone trade me and give me a pet?
My cat's a junior. Let's go and see what people offer for my junior cat.
Look, no one is offering anyone. Is this person going to be kind enough? Hi. Liza. Please! They had a pet egg. I've literally never hatched a pet egg before.
There's a dodo!
I'll accept. Please! Wait, are they trying?
That person was so rude. They just declined my trade. That was so rude of them. Like, they don't even let me say anything.
Maybe we should just join a poor server.
Well, we're supposed to be joining a different server, so you can. I'm staying in the server for a little bit. I have a kangaroo in this server.
Wait, but I'll just join the same server, won't I? Because we're friends.
Then unfriends me.
Right. I want friends.
Wow. 12 minutes!
Why we all say what?
Guys, I want to go get a cracked egg, but I don't have enough. Will anyone be nice enough to donate to me?
No. Oh my god, I'm lucky. There's so many new houses. Actually, like, no,
there's a flying fish. Just think if they accept my trade. Come here. Are they? They're giving me so much for free. But like no pets. Are they giving this for free? Nope. Guys, we have a trade. Oh my god, are they really doing this?
I traded my cat.
Look at this. Are they really doing this? They're different language. I don't know what they're saying. Are they literally doing this trade or what? I put my cat up first. I put my cat up first. Are you really doing this? Please. No, they're not going to do it, are they?
What?
This person's not doing the trade, but she's just staying in trade. They declined. Everyone's declining. They're like so rude, aren't they?
know.
Guys, we have like 10 minutes left. Guys, we have 10 minutes left on the clock. And I still have a cat. What do I do? I'm so poor. Guys, we have literally 9 minutes left.
Oh my god, I forgot a single thing except petware.
I can...
Pip, have you gotten anything?
No!
I've got petware. I think I'm beating you right now.
Yes, you are beating me.
Oh my god, I am so lucky I joined a different server and someone really wanted a cat.
You know what? It's time for me to join a different server. Nobody's being nice in this server. It's time to join
Someone invited me to their family just because
a
I'm
different
poor.
server.
I put in my dog.
Guys, I'm joining a different server. Oh, what am I going to get? I hope there's like kind of poor people because they probably won't know values that much and stuff like that. So, yeah. This is so exciting.
My dog's ill. I'm not wasting time.
I know you're not wasting time. I am like, no. Did I join your server? Let's see. Hopefully I didn't.
I don't see you. Someone's saying free hugs. I want a hug.
I want a hug.
In my server, there's someone saying free hugs.
I think I might have joined the same server. No, I didn't. There's someone in my server saying free hugs.
Really?
There's someone in my server saying free hugs. There's someone in my server saying...
You joined me.
Do you want to trade my cat for your dog?
No.
My cat's Junior.
Wait, yes.
No, you have to add some petware.
No. I just really want to trade that girl that likes cats.
Someone trading me. No, they're trading with someone else right now.
Where is
How are you
that?
getting an upgraded dog for a mouse?
Oh my god, thank you. This person's so nice.
Ah!
I've got a mouse now.
What do I do? I'm so poor. We have 8 minutes left. I'm poor, please.
Oh my god, I'm about to cry. I feel like I am crying.
Oh, okay, here. Oh my god, she's giving me something. What's she gonna give me? Oh my god, she's giving me a sloth. I just said that I'm poor, and then she's giving me all of this stuff for my cat. She's giving me this for free. She's so kind. Please don't give me like that thing. Guys, she just gave me a sloth and loads of other stuff for free.
Oh my god. Wait.
I might have just went out of that. You might have a problem here, JC. I'll be back in a bit, guys. Guys, she was the most nicest person ever. She could not have been nicer. Like, unless she gave me Mega New and Legendary, but a sloth, that used to be Robux and it's ultra rare for free, and I got to keep my cat. JC, I got toys and petware and a slot. I think that means I'm doing better than you now. Oh my god, guys. This was so intense. But we still have 7 minutes left. So we could be getting a good offer for our pets. Trading 7 pets for a ride pet. Okay, so guys. Oh my god, we have 6 minutes left. Oh, what's that? On the clock. And, ew. Oh, we have a trade! Oh, we just chew toys. I mean, we're trying to get pets, not stuff like that. So I am going to have to say nope. Sorry. Oh, we have a ginger cat up in trade. Oh, yeah. And a cracked egg and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and accept. JC, they've added a piranha, ginger cat, mouse, and loads of pets. Let's accept.
Is I can transfer.
She's selling me to add. I can't. No more pets, obviously. Okay, she was not going to do that trade. She was going to give me so much. And then she's like, nope. you're poor. Everyone poor. But this time, yup. I need to get something. So right now we have a sloth. We could probably trade that for a ride pet, maybe. Who knows? I mean, probably. I mean, it's very likely. So let's go see if anyone wants to offer for a beautiful sloth. Trading 7 pets for a ride pets. There's a new pet here, but I mean, maybe. Come on. Can someone just accept my trade? Like, no one wants a sloth. Oh, we didn't have a ride pet, sorry. Are you offering or what? Or is he just doing the thing now? I'll do this. I mean, some of the new pets and stuff. Guys, I've just got an upgrade. I think this is an upgrade. Leave in the comments if this is an upgrade. Yay! I got another trade. I have 4 pets now. Oh, we have another trade. There's a legendary up front, guys. Please accept. No, they declined. Oh, so annoying. Is he talking to me? He's rude. We have this upgrade. Hopefully she accepts. Please. No, she declined. I mean, it was the same person that we traded that sloth to. Just seeing if we could get it back for a smaller price. But that obviously did not happen. Dang it. Oh, let's see. Guys, so we have 2 minutes left on the clock. And that's it. Oh, there's a turtle person. Someone has a ride there. Cool. Gonna trade them. Nothing. I want a sloth. Well, guys, there's literally 1 minute left. Sadly. And let's see what we can get. Hopefully something good. $40 seconds. You know what, guys, I'm just going to stop here because I can definitely not get anything in 40 seconds. So I'm just going to show you guys my inventory. This is what I got. A lot in toys because we even got a mobile phone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and one more thing to say. Bye!